To troubleshoot Authorize net events, start by understanding the basics of the payment gateway and its event system. Authorize Net is a payment processing platform that allows merchants to accept online payments. The event system is a series of notifications sent by Authorize Net to the merchant's server, indicating the status of a transaction. First, verify that the event notification URL is correctly configured in the Authorize Net merchant account. This URL is where Authorize Net will send the event notifications. Ensure that the URL is valid and accessible from the internet. Next, check the event types that are being sent by Authorize Net. Common event types include payment settled, payment failed, and refund issued. Each event type has a specific set of parameters that are sent with the notification. To troubleshoot events, start by checking the Authorize Net event log. The event log provides a record of all events sent by Authorize Net, including the event type, date, and time. Look for any errors or failed events, and check the event parameters to identify the cause of the issue. If an event is not being received, check the merchant's server logs to ensure that the event notification is being received and processed correctly. Verify that the server is configured to handle the event notification and that any firewalls or security software are not blocking the notification. Another common issue is event duplication, where the same event is sent multiple times. To prevent event duplication, implement a duplicate event check on the merchant's server. This can be done by storing the event IDs and checking each incoming event against the stored IDs. Best practices for troubleshooting Authorize Net events include testing the event notification URL regularly, monitoring the event log for errors, and implementing a robust duplicate event check. By following these steps and best practices, merchants can ensure that their Authorize Net events are being received and processed correctly, and troubleshoot any issues that may arise.